Yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Finally we're on this side. As you guys can see, the JZX100 Mark II is finally outside. And look what we got over there. Jeez. So this car is officially ready for the roads. Everything is done, it's legal. Official Japanese car here in Canada. Now it's finally time to get a taste of that RHD life. Alright, for today's video, it's actually not about the Mark II. We got the new wheels for the S2000. I got the tires mounted, so everything is ready to go. Today we're going to be ceramic coating them, and I'm going to show you guys how to get that done. But let me show you the stash, and let me show you guys the new wheels. So the wheels are actually in here. I don't know if you guys are ready for this.
Ooh, that's tight. That's beautiful. That's nice. What's that?
Sheesh. So we got the RG4s wrapped in the new tires. Jeez, these are looking so good. Got a little stretch on them. Let me take this out and let's talk about it. So we got all four wheels over here, and I know you guys are curious about the tire specs. Let's get right into it. As far as tires goes, I'm rocking a square setup. This is the General G-Max RS 235/40/18 all around. There you have it. There's my setup. This is my first time rocking the General tire. This is pretty much a budget setup. Originally, I did want to go with 245s all around, but for the S2000, you need a 245/35/18, which is a unique size, and those tires right now are super expensive. They're even more than a 255 and a 265. So I had to size down and go with the 235s, and I think it's still gonna look good on the car once we put it on. Going with the 235s, you do get a stretch on the tire. It's not too bad, it's what I was expecting, and it shows off the machine lip on the wheels. So I guess that's pretty cool. I can't wait to see them on the S2000. I really feel like it's gonna suit the car really well. All right, so enough about the wheel and tire specs. Let's finally coat these wheels and let's get it done. So I'm gonna start on this side. What I have right here is alcohol. This is your regular Costco microfiber. I'm gonna put some of the alcohol in here. Dab a little bit. And we're gonna clean the wheels first. Gotta make sure there's no grease. And when I got the tires mounted, the technician kind of dirtied the wheels. It's not his fault. So we're gonna clean them.
5 minutes later.
We got this wheel all cleaned up, the front and the back. So now we got our Gtechniq C5 wheel armor. We're just gonna shake it up a little bit. You don't have to go too crazy. Just like that. So you get the product and you get the pad. Gtechniq likes to call it the AP1 pad. They already know. Shout out to my S2000 guys. But we're gonna do a few drops. We're not gonna go too crazy. Ooh, maybe I'm going too crazy. But yeah, just like that. And we're gonna close the product up. 1 second. And we're not using it. And I'm gonna start with the back, just to get a feel for it, and see how the product goes onto the wheel. I just finished doing one coat on the back side. It's actually not too bad. You can kind of see the finish on it. It's hard to see with white, but it gives it like a satin matte look. But one coat is done. We're just gonna let it dry a little bit. Then we're gonna get a microfiber and we're gonna wipe it off. That's how you're supposed to do it. And yeah, so far so good. Don't need too much product. Just gotta lay it down and get it on there. Front is now coated. Now I'm just doing the wipe off process, and I'm using the Costco microfibers, like I said, which is it's pretty heavy microfiber, so you don't want to go too crazy when you wipe it off, and you just want to smooth out the product. So you go into each spoke. These wheels are not too bad in terms of design, in terms of coating. We just want to go into each spoke and just smooth it out. and get everything even. This is the first coat. We are gonna hit it with a second coat. So I'm all done with the first coat on this first wheel right here. It actually wasn't too hard for my first time. I would say it takes about 10 to 15 minutes a wheel. If I wasn't filming, I would have done it faster. But yeah, it's pretty good. You can see the shine on the wheel. I see the difference, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly do the rest of the wheels. I just want to get these done quick. For the second coat, we're actually gonna wait 4 to 5 hours for the first one to dry, and then we're gonna apply the second coat. So we're gonna get all these done. Let's speed up. YouTube magic, let's get it done. Alright, so it's been quite some time, but all 4 wheels are finally coated. This is the first coat on all the wheels. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but each wheel has a new shine to it. I really love the new finish. You can tell that there's something on the wheel. It gives it that matte, metallic, I don't know how to explain it, but it looks really good. The finish is nice. Can't wait to see the results in the sun. So like I said, you want to wait at least 4 hours before applying the second coat. I want to layer it just to make sure that the wheels are good. It's gonna last up to 2 years. I just want everything to be nice. Do it once, do it right, and we won't have to worry about this. So stay tuned for the second coat.
The next day.
Alright, so we're back again for round 2. Today's way better. It's finally sunny. The first coat is completely dry. I wish you guys could see it on camera. I really love the new finish. It's kind of like when I don't know if any of you do like face masks. It's kind of like that when you have a gel on your face and it's shiny. The wheels just look so good. So we're gonna hit it with a second coat. All I'm gonna do for this one, I'm gonna wipe it off with the microfiber and then go straight to the second coat. So I'm just gonna start with this one. Any dust or debris that came on the wheel over time from when it was drying, we're gonna wipe that off. I see a few speckles on here, and get ready for the second coat. I'm ready to do the second coat, but the only thing that sucks, maybe I didn't plan for this, but I am gonna reuse the same pad that I did for the first coat. These are the other ones over here. These ones are pretty much destroyed, so I'm just gonna go with this one. Hopefully this can do all wheels. I know detailers are cringing, but gotta do what I gotta do. Hopefully this works.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So I'm on to the last wheel. I ended up closing the garage because flies and other elements were coming in. So I want to avoid that. And yeah, I'm happy to almost be done. This is such a process, but I know in the end, it's gonna be worth it. So we all done. The second coat is done. It feels so good to be complete. So we're just gonna leave it here and let it dry. It takes 12 hours for the coat to cure. So I'm gonna come back the next day, then we're gonna bring it outside and see how it is. I'm so excited. This looks really good. Gtechniq, they did their thing, and man, the wheels they're looking killer right now.
3 days later.
All right, squad, I'm back. It's been a few days. I look a little bit different, but the Mark II is back in the garage, all cleaned up, and the beautiful wheels are behind me, fully cured up, and the finish just looks so amazing. Oh my God. So overall, this process is not really bad. You don't have to pay someone else to do it, unless you really don't have the time, but it doesn't hurt to give it a try. Try ceramic coating. I think it worked out for me, and I'm really satisfied with the results. Up next is for me to get the wheels finally onto the car. I did get the S2000 cleaned up, so these are literally ready to go. Stay tuned for the next video. We will be finally mounting the wheels onto the car. I can't wait to see the S2000 version 2. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful for anyone who wants to try ceramic coating. It's not too bad. You guys know the drill. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.